Kasasabikan ang Pure Foods Pinoy favorite.
Good evening everyone.
Expertly flavored.
Nga si nanay maghilot. Maghilot-hilot ko sa kunsiki using this one. Ano sa lapa-lapa daw. Sa lapa-lapa ihilot. Order dug ko ini sa TikTok na. Order ko kay namnis man gud akong lapa-lapa. Uping mawala ning wala ko din sa lapa-lapa.
Team Malupihan. This is Major General Scala. Our weaponized bioagent with a potential threat to an entire region is moments away from being transferred on the platform.
Tangan ng uwil daw, uwil.
Disauthorized to
Nan
intercept
ipaglutay ni mo gani. Isa kay appear karon sa grandstand nga. Grabe man nila napalupad ng firework.
track the exchange, intercept the buyer, appel, ready.
Pag unay-unay ra kan ko ini kay wa may masugo.
Sure is not an option.
Ng banana di man kay baluan eh. Ay massage may foot love.
Oh,
May foot is numbness.
good. Cool in here, hot out there. I got a potato peeler. You can peel potatoes. You want me to put this on your back?
Yeah, after na ko inhilot.
Okay.
Later na. Kaya naghilot pa ko.
You get it ready for me. You
Okay.
start the peel. I'll put it on for you.
Yeah.
I gotta lay down, my love. so-
Just wait.